The universe provides countless wonders, one of which is the unique beauty possessed by birds spread throughout the world. Each habitat maintains a stunning species with a stunning combination of colors on the bird's body. By recognizing the beauty of various types of birds, it is a reminder of the importance of preserving biodiversity on Earth, as climate change and habitat destruction have threatened many species. Here are 7 of the most beautiful birds in the world according to Heide Chanel. Number 1. Rainbow-billed toucan. Light green eye patches, and bright red feathers protruding from under its tail. But the most prominent characteristic of the rainbow-billed toucan is its colorful beak, which is about a third of the bird's 20-inch (51 centimeter) length. These birds use their beaks to collect food including fruit, insects, lizards, tree frogs, and eggs, which they toss into the air before swallowing. Their green, orange, blue and red beaks also attract potential mates, and research suggests that their entire beak is covered in tiny blood vessels that allow the toucans to regulate their body temperature. Number 2. Indian peafowl. The male Indian peafowl, Pavo cristatus, more commonly known as the peacock, is known for its blue plumage and its eye-spot-covered tail that it spreads to woo females. Females are less flamboyant than males, with brown spotted feathers and shorter tails without eye spots, although they do have iridescent green feathers on their throats. Indian peafowl are native to the Indian subcontinent, but have been introduced to many other parts of the world including North America, Europe, South Africa and Australia as ornamental birds. In the wild, Indian peafowl live on the forest floor, where they forage for fruit, small reptiles, insects and rodents. Number 3. Roller bird. The purple-breasted roller, Corycias caudatus, gets its name from its acrobatic courting display, which involves the male repeatedly rising and falling with his wings tucked in to perform a rolling motion while emitting a guttural call. The purple-breasted roller grows to 14.5 inches (37 centimeters) tall, and both males and females have purple throats and breasts, blue-green bellies, green heads, reddish-orange faces, and dark blue tail tips. The species lives in grasslands and woodlands in eastern and southern Africa, from Ethiopia and Angola to northern South Africa. The birds perch in dead trees to survey their surroundings for prey, including grasshoppers, beetles, lizards, frogs, and crabs. Number 4. Wilson's bird of paradise. Wilson's bird of paradise, Diphylodes respublica, is a sparrow-sized bird with bright red feathers on its back, a yellow patch on the top of its neck, and a featherless crown, revealing electric blue skin beneath. Wilson's bird of paradise also has 2 distinctive sickle-shaped tail feathers. This bird is so elusive that it took scientists 150 years to document a courtship display, in which the male spreads his neck feathers to reveal iridescent green wings. Females judge potential mates by the brightness of their feathers, but they themselves have mottled olive-brown plumage. Like the male, the female has a bald patch on the top of her head and blue skin. Number 5. Quetzal. The resplendent quetzal, Pharamacris mocino, is a stunning, turquoise, green and red bird that lives in cloud forests stretching from southern Mexico to western Panama. Males have a golden-green crest and metallic blue tail feathers that grow during the breeding season into a flowing train up to 3 feet (0.9 meters) long. They display by rising into the canopy and diving toward potential mates, feathers fluttering behind them. Number 6. Scarlet rosella. Scarlet rosellas, Platycercus elegans, come in a number of colors, including red, orange, and yellow. Young birds have olive-green feathers that transition to one of the other colors as they mature. Apart from their makeup, scarlet rosellas have distinctive blue cheek patches, blue tail feathers, and black dotted wings. Scarlet rosellas are found mostly in southern and eastern Australia, with a few populations scattered across the country, as well as on Norfolk Island and New Zealand. They usually gather in small groups and feed on seeds, grasses, shrubs, insects, and some tree flowers. The birds make a variety of calls, including some that sound like loud screeches and metallic whistles. Number 7. Scarlet macaw. As its name suggests, the scarlet macaw, Ara macau, is mostly covered in bright red feathers. However, this bird also has a blue lower back and wingtips, as well as a yellow rump and a white, featherless face. Scarlet macaws are the largest parrots in the world, measuring up to 33 inches (84 centimeters) from beak to tail tip. Their beaks are strong enough to crack the hard nuts found in the rainforests from southern Mexico to Peru and eastern Brazil where these birds live. Those are the 7 most beautiful colored birds in the world. Version Haide Chanel. Actually, there are still many species of birds that I have not listed. Maybe I will make another video 7 most beautiful colored in the world, part 2. So come on, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss other interesting videos. See you in the next video.